This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Glynis Rojas Pena. Welcome home to this fantastic property. This generous ! 46 acre of land makes this big lot a dream of possibilities. Park your trailer, truck, boat, RV or build a huge man cave, workshop, car garage, or shed, you name it. Featuring brand new roof, electrical panel, new kitchen with granite countertop, stainless steel appliances. In addition to that, enjoy a comfortable front porch to sit back and relax observing the garden and the mature trees. This gorgeous property makes a great 3/2 with the bonus room/office for the whole family to enjoy. Perfect for first-time buyer or as a passive income investment. Did I say that there is no HOA? No HOA and fully fenced. Come and discover the beautiful city of Leesburg, its rich history, famously known for the Venetian Garden Park located by the Lake Harris chain of lakes. Enjoy fishing on your boat, bird watching, playing sand volleyball by the ski beach. Or explore the downtown's antique shops, cafes and restaurants. Just 1 hour and 30 minutes from Orlando themes parks, Daytona, or Smyrna.